Mario! Where are you? Oh, Princess Peach! Oh, look at their beds. Let me just smell their cushions. Oh, Mario. Oh, Luigi. Oh. Oh, let me wash my hands. Oh, look at the tools. Mario's hat. Oh. I'ma jump off. Oh, God.
He saw the mushroom tip.
Hey man, nice cop.
Princess Peach! Princess Peach!
Meaningless activities for real.
And then right here, Princess Peach is saying every slur imaginable. I don't know how Nintendo got away with a game where Princess Peach is just straight up dropping slurs. Wait a second. Listen, this is no time for fighting. Even though I would have even though I would have won. Listen to me, everyone.
Something terrible has happened to the princess. The princess has been saying the N-word all day. The goodwill ambassador from our neighbor, the Bean Bean Kingdom, just paid a visit. Yeah, but it was no friendly visit. The ambassador stole Princess Peach's voice.
Oh shit. She said the N-word.
And replaced it with explosive vocabulary. She doesn't stop saying slurs.
Right there, Princess Peach just said in one fell swoop, I do not associate. So, off an adventure yet again. I just hope that your long vacation hasn't left you out of shape. Let's go.
Slurs against on Prime Month.
You said P said like 4 different slurs against the... on Pride Month. She bugging out.
Oh, wow, my mushroom, you got this for me?
No.
But, my mushroom! How can you do that? Won't you please return my mushroom? Please!